Narito na ang Barangay Ginebra official lineup for 2024 PBA Governors Cup ating kilalanin. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, kung nais niyong suportahan ang aking munting YouTube channel ay humingi po ako ng likes, share and subscribe. Maraming salamat. So narito na nga mga lords ang Barangay Ginebra San Miguel official lineup for 2024 PBA Governors Cup. Una nga dito si Jeremiah Gray, 27 years old at may height na 6'4". At ang playing position nito ay shooting guard, small forward. Nag-average ito ng 14.1 points, 5.4 rebounds, 1.3 assists last 2023 PBA Governors Cup averages. So kasama pa rin dito mga lords itong si Maverick Hanmisi. Ito ay 33 years old at may height na 6'2". At ang kanyang playing position ay guard, shooting guard. Nag-average ito ng 12.4 points, 6.6 rebound, 3.6 assist, 0.5 steal last PBA Philippine Cup averages. At ito pa nga mga lords, kasama pa rin itong si Scotty Thompson, bagamat injured ito. 31 years old, may height na 6'1". Playing position point guard, shooting guard. 8.9 points, 7.4 rebounds, 4.9 assist, 1.9 steal last 2023 to 2024 PBA Philippine Cup averages. So alanganin pa ito mga lords kasi nasa injured niya itong si Scotty. Kasama pa rin dito mga lords si Nards Pinto, 33 years old na nga, height 5'11", playing position point guard. 3.6 points, 2.9 rebounds, 1.1 assist, 0.5 steal last 2023 PBA Philippine Cup averages. Jared Dellinger, 40 years old, height 6'4", playing position ay shooting guard, small forward. 0.3 points, 0.5 rebounds, 0.2 assist last PBA Governors Cup averages. At kasama din dito mga lords itong si Donald Gumaro, 27 years old at may height na 5'11". Position point guard. 2 points, 0.2 rebounds, 0.67 assists last PBA Philippine Cup averages. At kasama pa rin dito mga lords itong si Raymond Aguilar, 38 years old, height 6'4". Playing position power forward, center. 0.5 points, 1 rebound, 0.3 steals last PBA Philippine Cup averages. At narito rin mga lords si Aljon Mariano, 31 years old, height 6'3". Playing position small forward. 2.4 points, 1.2 rebounds, 0.4 assists last PBA Governors Cup averages. At hindi pa rin mawawala dito si Japet Aguilar, 37 years old, height 6'9", playing position power forward, center. Mayroon tong average na 13.6 points, 6.4 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 0.2 steals last PBA Philippine Cup averages. Si Ralph Koo, 24 years old, height 6'4", playing position shooting guard, small forward. 8.9 points, 2.9 rebounds, 2.1 assists, 0.4 steals last PBA Philippine Cup averages. At ito naman mga lords, papakilala ang kanilang rookie na si RG Abarientos, 24 years old, height 5'10", position point guard. 13.6 points, 2.9 rebounds, 4.9 assists, 1.4 steals, KBL Rookie of the Year averages nitong si RG Abarientos. At syempre kasama pa rin dito mga lords itong si LA Tenorio, 40 years old, heights 5'9", playing position point guard. 3.2 points, 2.1 rebounds, 1 point assist, 0.3 steals, 2023 to 2024 PBA Philippine Cup averages. Bon Pisumal, 31 years old, height 6'2", position shooting guard, small forward. 2.2 points, 0.6 rebounds, 0.1 steals last PBA Philippine Cup averages. At siyempre hindi pa rin mawawala dito mga lords itong si Jason David, 27 years old, height 6'2", playing position shooting guard, small forward. 2 points, 2 rebounds, 0.67 assists last PBA Philippine Cup averages. Jimmy Malonzo injured reserve. Height 6'7", 27 years old to mga lods. Position power forward. 14.1 points, 7.1 rebounds, 3.3 assists, 0.9 steals last PBA Philippine Cup averages. Pero ngayon, naka-reserve siya dahil sa injured nga mga lods. David Morel, 27 years old. Height 6'4". Position forward. 0.5 points, 1.4 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 0.1 steals last PBA Philippine Cup averages. Stephen Holt, new acquisition, 32 years old, 6'4". Position shooting guard, small forward. 21.0 points, 8.4 rebounds, 6.6 assists at 2.9 steals last PBA Philippine Cup averages. Isaac Go, new acquisition, height 6'7". Position power forward center. 11.7 points, 7.1 rebounds, 1.6 assists, 0.5 steals last PBA Philippine Cup averages. At narito pa ang sanilang new acquisition, itong si Ben Adamos, 28 years old, 6'7". Position center. 2 points, 0.63 rebounds, 0.38 assists last PBA Philippine Cup averages. At narito naman mga lods, ang isa pa sa mga rookie ng Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, si Paul Garcia, 24 years old, height 5'11". Position point guard. 2.64 points, 1.07 rebounds, UEP season 86 averages. At ang kanilang import na si Justin Brownlee, 36 years old, height 6'6". Position power forward. Averages 13.5 points, 8.5 rebounds, 4.8 assists, 1.3 steals sa IBL ito sa Pilita Jaya mga lods. Ito yung kanilang head coach, si Coach Tim Con, Richard De Rosario, Kirk Collier, Patrick Partusa, Olsen Racela, Jamel Laifi, itong assistant coach at team manager Al Francis Chua. So maraming salamat mga lods. Shout out Eugene Balakwit, thank you so much. At shout out din kay Sir Vic Tuason, maraming salamat sa iyo Lods. Florente Aguado, shout out sa iyo Lods. Gio Man, shout out din sa iyo Lods, maraming salamat. Armando Miguel, shout out din sa iyo Lods, maraming salamat. Edgar Hinon, maraming salamat din sa iyo Lods. Erwin Santos, shout out sa iyo Lods, maraming salamat din. Shoutout din Ginebra San Miguel Die Hard fans. Thank you so much. Thank you so much Gerald Salamera. Shoutout sa iyo rin. Thank you so much. Shoutout sa iyo Dong Simakas. Thank you so much. Rolando Banis. Thank you so much Lods. Armando Miguel. Shoutout sa iyo Lods. Maraming rin salamat. Mark John Castro Verde. Maraming salamat din Lods. Shoutout. Buddy Jolet, shoutout sa Lods, thank you so much. Thank you so much din Red Sancon, shoutout sa Lods. Michael Vicente, shoutout sa Lods, maraming salamat din. Michael Escalada, shoutout, maraming salamat din.